If I floor it right now, it's not gonna grip. Ladies and gents, what's good? What's poppin'? On the dep on. So I start the video, the truck start reversing, man. Yo, it's always the small things, yo. Supercharger, SRT, yo, you see it, man. But as I told you guys before, this cat is not stock. We got the leg maker intake. We got the smaller pulley, the green one, you see it? This is like what will come on the red eye. So it's making more power than stock. I'm not sure how much to the wheels yet until we dyno it this weekend. But yo, we got a lot of videos coming your way, man. Already got a few made. 6-piston Brambos, oh my gosh. We got the 275 Pirellis up front, 305 Pirellis in the back, which still get no grip. See the red key? All right. Hellcat badge on the side, man. So when you pull up, you know what it is. As a matter of fact, you don't even got to look at the badge, because you're going to hear that supercharger like crazy. If it comes trap mode, traction completely off, of course. There we go. Yep. I'm just saying, if you touch the gas within first, second, third gear, it's only gonna spin. Got the tire mark. It's pure smoke. Third, fourth gear, it just spins. I'm just saying, it started to spin at 85 right there. I mean, that road is hella bumpy. This is half gas. Alright, full. Started to spin. Bro, it left lines. Holy shit. And I went full over 80. There's no U-turn. Why did you make that U-turn? I mean, put it back in drive for a little bit, let it calm down. It did not calm down, it's still holding 5th gear. It's not gonna grip when I floor it under the tunnel, but yo, that was pure spinning, man. That was pure spinning. I don't think it's gripped this whole entire drive so far. Still haven't floored it yet. Let me go in front of this guy, then floor it. Yo! Hey guys, everything you see in this video is fake, okay? I don't know how to drive. I don't know how to do none of that. Everything you see in this video is fake. So don't think we over here speeding, okay? We don't speed. Even the gas mileage, 63 for half a tank? Nah, that's fake, bro. That can't be real. Shit. 63 miles on exactly half a tank. Damn, boy. It ain't the price of the car that's hefty. Nah, it's maintaining it. Make sure you guys remember that. Shit. Still have it in manual. I mean, I like driving it in manual when I'm doing certain things. If I'm gonna be sliding, definitely manual, because it gives you more control. I'm gonna have a video soon showing you like how to use the manual mode in this, like the best way to drive with it, you know, the gears, when to shift, all of that. Somebody asked for that, so I'm having that video soon. Next one is my boy Greg driving this though, then that video. Just U-turn real quick. Like if I floor it right now, it's not gonna grip. Haven't floored it. There we go. Back in drive. Okay, slow your ass down. In Brembos we trust. In Brembos we trust. Slow your ass down, big girl. Oh shit. Okay. Yo! Slow your ass down, big girl. I'll do all of that now. Woohoo! Yeah! Hellcat! Hellcat! Bro! As I'm saying, you know, speed is sped up. I make sure to take it off the speed so you guys will see that. You know, look at the tire pressures for a second, man. Look at the tire pressures for a second. Woo! I'm hyped as fuck. Yo! 169, so I didn't pass 169, you know, because I bought it with 169 as the top speed. Bro, the previous owner was an old dude in Michigan. I mean, if you guys think you know the previous owner, let me get in contact with him. I want to know the tune and all that shit he put on it, because I'm planning on retuning it, just because it's from Michigan, so it's used to colder weather, and down here in Florida it's gonna be hella hot. Right now it's cold in Florida, which is good. Not flooring it. Alright. Oh, the music's lovely. I'm gonna try and make you guys hear some of the exhaust. I'm gonna put SRT twice, so I put it in street traction, because I'm gonna try to floor it under this. It's still gonna spin. Put it in drive. Still gonna spin a little bit. Yo. I mean, street traction does a pretty decent job of getting it going, but I mean, it still spins like crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Put that shit back in track. When I stop, I'll turn back everything off. I just like driving with everything off, because it allows me to do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it ain't gonna make me win no races. Like, go check out the last race. Shit, I might have just spoiled it. Or maybe I didn't. But go check out the first race between me and my boy Matthew, man, with the SRT 392 Durango. But it ain't stock. His ain't stock either. Listen to that supercharger whine. Yes, sir. just like that, we gonna end this video, man. We just wheeled out third gear. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what y'all think of the big cat. Drop a thumbs up, share the video, comment down below what you want to see next with the cat or with any of my boys' car or with any car for that matter. You know, we try our best to get this shit done for y'all.